Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to make your basic photos look professional in Adobe Lightroom. Alright, let's get started. So, I have some pictures here that are pretty basic. They're nice, but they're basic. Let me go through my personal way of making a basic photo look a little bit less basic, if you know what I mean. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the right side of the page, which is just basic correction, so light correction, color correction, and any other effects or details that I would like to add. So this particular photo, well, let's do this one. This one's a good example because the subject is in shadow, so we're going to lift the shadows. And then everything else is very highlighted, so we're going to drop the highlights, lift the shadows, so it's a little more evened out. Maybe a little less exposure as well. Might go ahead with some vibrance, nothing too crazy in the color area because I'm going to do something else. Okay, and then lift the texture and the clarity so it can just be more clear. And then maybe we'll add a little vignette. Anything else? Maybe some noise reduction. Okay, and then we're gonna go to presets. So I have some user presets that I've made. Let's see if any of those look good on this picture. So this is gonna end up kind of looking like, you know, an Instagram picture with the filters. So I here have made some of my own filters, but it also comes with filters, so this one might be too much, kind of depends on what you're looking for. Let's see, and then now let's see what the pre-made filters that Lightroom comes with look like. Let's see what those look like. Okay, so for what I'm going for, kind of like this one. It's very subtle. You know, looks like maybe a picture that somebody would hang in their bathroom. You know, pretty clean, pretty clear. So I'm gonna save that as a preset, and I'm just gonna call it. Let's see, what am I gonna call it? Bathroom photo preset. Okay, because this is going to go in someone's bathroom. I can just feel it. Alright, now we're gonna apply that to the other ones. So as you can see, that one went from this dull looking basic picture to now a very beautiful professional looking photo. You know, I just took this in a random park. It's not that special, but now it looks like it was taken at the beach on a beautiful sunrise morning. Alright, and then we're gonna add it to this one. Okay, and they all look really good. They all look consistent because I'm using the same filter on all of them. This one could use a little more warmth. Let's see if we can change the temperature. There we go. So that looks a little bit more like the other photos, which have this golden glow to them. Alright, and that's kind of just how I quickly make my photos go from being basic to professional. And it's very quick, very easy. You can do it with your personal photos, you could do it with your professional photos. Obviously there's another way to edit photos that are way more in depth, but this is very simple, quick, easy, and it looks good. So if you guys have any more questions about how to use other Adobe programs like Lightroom, Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, let me know and I'll show you guys how to do some of those things. Also feel free to check out my website, trueform.com, where I make graphic design, photography, and video for business owners and more, small business owners and more. and I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you like my video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. And thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.